the heart of the wild. There are creatures that shape the earth, not through speed nor through strength, but through their very presence. Gentle giants whose every step leaves a mark on history. They are not only the largest land animals, but guardians of balance in an unstable world. Beings with deep memory, complex relationships, and emotions beyond what we often imagine. Yet behind this greatness lies a fragile reality, a future slowly fading in silence. This is the story of elephants. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. Gentle giants with a presence that cannot be ignored. Today, 3 living species are recognized: the African bush elephant, the African forest elephant, and the Asian elephant. 3 branches of an ancient lineage, and the last surviving members of the Elephantidae family. Relatives that once roamed the earth alongside them, mammoths and mastodons. Now lost to time, preserved only in fossils, elephants inhabit a vast range. From sub-Saharan Africa to South and Southeast Asia, across diverse habitats, from open savannas to dense forests, deserts, and wetlands. They are herbivores, and their lives are closely tied to water. Where water exists, elephants are never far. But their importance goes beyond their size. Elephants are ecosystem engineers. With every step, they shape the world around them, which is why they are considered a keystone species. Creatures whose presence maintains the balance of entire ecosystems. Elephants are not just large. They are deeply social, especially African elephants, living within complex, layered social structures. At the core of this structure is the family, tightly bonded groups built around maternal lines, where females spend their entire lives together. And at the center of it all stands a leader, the matriarch, usually the oldest female, with the greatest experience. She guides the group, decides their movements, and leads for as long as she is able. But for males, life takes a different path. As they mature, they leave the family, entering a world of independence and competition. Some live alone, others form loose, but dynamic social networks. Yet even here, order exists, a hierarchy shaped by age, size, and status. Elephants communicate in many ways, not only through sound, but through touch, trunks intertwining, bodies connecting, even chemical signals used to recognize and understand one another. Older elephants guide the younger ones through subtle yet firm interactions. And among all these connections, one stands above the rest: the bond between mother and calf. Here, touch is more than behavior. It is a language of care. Elephants live long lives, between 60 to 70 years, and sometimes even longer. And through those years, they do more than survive. They remember, they learn, and they connect. Elephants are herbivores, but not ordinary ones. A body of this scale demands immense energy. They feed on a wide variety of plant material: leaves, branches, fruits, tree bark, grasses, and even roots. African elephants tend to browse on trees and shrubs, while Asian elephants primarily graze on grasses. But regardless of diet, one thing remains constant: their extraordinary consumption. An elephant can eat up to 300 kilograms of food in a single day and drink around 40 liters of water, which is why their lives are closely tied to water sources. They rarely stray far. Most of their day is spent feeding, morning, afternoon, and even into the night. When the sun reaches its peak, they retreat into the shade, resting beneath trees, sometimes even dozing while standing. But their deepest sleep comes at night, when these giants of the land lie down. Despite their size, they sleep only a few hours, around 3 to 4 hours a day, before rising again to continue an endless cycle of feeding, moving, and surviving. Elephants reproduce slowly, but with deep and deliberate investment. Most mating occurs during the rainy season, when conditions are at their best, but bringing a new life into the world takes time, a long time. The gestation period lasts between 18 to 24 months, one of the longest in the animal kingdom. Time needed for the development of a large brain and a complex trunk, and after birth, the mother does not reproduce again for several years. A significant investment for the survival of a single calf. Birth usually occurs during the rains, and typically, only one calf is born, standing about 85 centimeters tall and weighing around 120 kilograms, a newborn, already capable of standing, walking, and following its mother. But at birth, it is not alone. The entire herd takes notice. Adults and even younger members gather around, touching it gently with their trunks, welcoming it into the group. In the first days, the mother remains protective, limiting access to others. Yet in this society, she is not alone. A system known as alloparenting exists among elephants, where other females assist in caring for the calf, helpers, often young themselves, learning as they nurture. In the early months, the calf relies entirely on its mother's milk, but gradually, it begins to explore, feeding on plants, learning to use its trunk to drink water. Movements become steadier, coordination improves, and by around 9 months, balance is achieved. Yet even then, it remains dependent, returning again and again to feed, a slow but essential cycle. Because in the world of elephants, every birth is more than a beginning. It is a long-term commitment to life. Elephants are not just large. They are among the most intelligent creatures on Earth, an intelligence that goes beyond survival. Elephants are capable of recognizing themselves in a mirror, a rare ability and a clear sign of self-awareness, a trait shared by only a few species, including certain primates and dolphins. But this is only the beginning. In one study, conducted on a captive Asian elephant, remarkable results emerged. The elephant was able to distinguish between different patterns, learning both visual and certain auditory differences, separating them with precision. But what truly stood out was its memory. After an entire year, when the same test was repeated, it still responded with a high level of accuracy, a memory that is not fleeting, but enduring. And perhaps that is why it is often said, elephants never forget. The body of an elephant is a combination of strength, precision, and remarkable design. Its larynx is the largest known among mammals. Deep within this massive form beats a heart weighing between 12 to 21 kilograms. When standing, it beats slowly, at around 28 beats per minute. But when the elephant lies down, the rate increases, a rare phenomenon in the animal kingdom. Its blood vessels are thick and robust, built to withstand high pressure. But the most extraordinary feature is the trunk, a unique organ formed from the fusion of the nose and upper lip, with no bones, almost no fat, yet containing around 150,000 individual muscle units, an instrument both powerful and precise, strong enough to lift up to 350 kilograms, yet delicate enough to crack a peanut shell without crushing what's inside. With it, the elephant can reach heights of up to 7 meters, dig into the ground, locate water, and even clean its own body. But the trunk is more than a tool. It is also a sensory organ, with a sense of smell that may be up to 4 times stronger than that of a bloodhound. Inside its mouth, the elephant carries 26 teeth, including tusks, which are actually modified incisors. They begin growing early and can extend by up to 17 centimeters per year, used for digging, stripping bark, marking territory, and fighting. And then there is the skin, thick up to 2.5 centimeters in places, yet surprisingly sensitive. To protect it, elephants turn to mud, rolling in it, then using their trunks to coat their bodies with dust, creating a natural shield against heat and insects. A massive body with a level of precision that defies expectation. Elephants, despite their immense size, are built to move, but not like other animals. They can walk both forward and backward, a rare ability among large mammals. Yet despite this, elephants cannot run. They cannot trot, jump, or gallop. Their movement is limited to walking, or a faster gait, known as ambling. Even so, their speed is impressive. An elephant can reach up to 25 kilometers per hour, a remarkable pace for such a massive animal. But their true surprise reveals itself in water. Elephants are powerful swimmers. They can remain in water for hours, up to 6 hours without stopping, moving steadily at around 2 kilometers per hour. In that time, they can cover distances of nearly 50 kilometers. A giant that appears heavy on land transforms into something fluid and effortless in water. Elephants are not only part of nature, they are part of human belief. Across cultures, these creatures have taken on meanings far beyond the physical world. In Central Africa, among the Mbuti people, there is a belief that the spirits of ancestors live within elephants. And in other African societies, it was thought that leaders, after death, would return in the form of elephants, a symbol of power and continuity. In the past, even elephant ivory held ritual significance. In the 10th century, in what is now Nigeria, ivory was placed in the graves of leaders as a sign of honor. Yet in Africa, these meanings were often symbolic. In Asia, the connection runs deeper. In Sumatra, Elephants are associated with thunder and lightning, and in Hindu tradition, this connection becomes even more profound. Elephants are linked to storms and celestial forces. At the center of this belief stands a figure, Ganesha, one of the most important deities in Hinduism. Sometimes regarded as equal to great gods such as Shiva, Vishnu, and Brahma. He represents wisdom, success, and new beginnings. Believed to grant wishes and remove obstacles, yet also capable of taking them away. Elephants, in the human imagination, are more than animals. They stand between the natural world and myth. Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth. Yet their value goes far beyond their size. They are engineers of the ecosystem. With every step, they open pathways, reshape vegetation, and allow the land to breathe. By digging into the ground, they uncover water, creating vital resources for countless other species. By dispersing seeds, they help forests grow and keep the cycle of life in motion. Yet despite their importance, their future is under threat. Poaching for ivory, habitat destruction, and human expansion are pushing these gentle giants toward extinction. And when elephants disappear, it is not just a species we lose, it is balance itself that begins to collapse. Because their absence means the loss of a silent force, one that sustains life on this planet. Protecting elephants is not just about saving an animal. It is about protecting a future in which humans also belong. Elephants may not speak, but their presence is essential for the survival of our world.